Hey guys, I know this is the same day, but I'm gonna start uploading everything on it. And I just got done recording and editing the video. So yeah, how about I just go shoot? Let's go do a prank on my bed. Let's get to a prank on my bed. Let me load up my gun and shoot one. Mega gun right there. Mega bullet this way. Hopefully he doesn't hear me coming. And hopefully he does. I'm not actually gonna shoot him. Because he gets really mad. Okay, let's get it. And definitely go show it.
What?
Oh, he caught me, guys.
Let's go here.
D-Dog Gamer. Hold on, guys. Let me pause this real quick.
This is PlayStation Now. It's giving me a 7-day free trial. At this end of the 7th day, I can cancel it so it doesn't get charged to my Mimi's wallet for this subscription. Is that smart? Which game should I play?
Could we take...
Mortal Kombat!
Could we play, like, games?
Yes.
Could I play games on this, too?
Yes.
Okay.
Just don't tell Mimi's. Don't get
Oh,
mad at
guys,
me.
sorry. I didn't even...
Look at this. Mega baseball.
Oh, we should...
But
So, guys, sorry. I thought I paused it. I didn't, so he's actually... Look, he's actually getting... He has a 7-day free trial PlayStation Now.
You have to do that video.
This is a PS for what?
Should I play this game, Street Fighter?
He's going to play Street Fight, and then I'm going to come in and probably record you guys a video of Mega Baseball. See you on the flip side, but I'm going to go shoot my Nerf gun at you guys, so let's go. Let's do that flipping. So, thanks to Jacob Paul for giving me this idea. Shout out to him. Just so you guys know, Jacob Paul is trying to be the first ever YouTuber to get 12 mil on YouTube in 12 months. So I'm gonna go shoot you guys with my Nerf gun. So let's do that there. Let's go. But first, let me show you this whistle. Did you hear that whistling? The whistle. That's what it does. That's what you guys are gonna be getting. Let me pause it, load this gun up, and then I'll shoot. Oh, sorry guys, I wanted to pause this. Okay guys, so I got the gun loaded, and now let's flip on shoot. So, let's do that there.
What are you doing exactly?
Shooting. Nerf gun. Collie, get. Sorry guys about my dog. Collie, move your tail. Get, move, Collie. Go lay down. Oh, I hit the hook on our old TV. We got a smart TV where we can watch Netflix. Netflix stuff. Dad, get you. So guys, with Mimi. I don't know. So guys, that is the end of this video. So let's live and do that there. So I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Sorry guys that I paused it. I meant to end the video, so yeah, I'll see you in the next one, which will be later of Mega Baseball. Goodbye. Good.